senior citizens, and the passengers of babies 4 inches tall. Anyone under the influence of drugs or alcohol is not allowed in the track area. And pregnant mothers or guests with back, neck, or health problems should not ride this ride. And riders leave only in the track area. Shoes and shirts are required at all times. No loose clothing or hats are permitted. No sandals or flip-flops are allowed. Only enclosed shoes only. Hair longer than shoulder length must be tied up above the shoulder. No smoking, eating, or drinking is allowed in the track area. And remember, riders must obey the track attendant's instructions at all times. No bumping of other cars or the track rail or reckless driving will be tolerated. Drivers and passengers must wear their seatbelts and remain seated at all times. If a problem should develop, remain seated in your car and raise your hand for assistance. A track attendant will come to assist. Do not exit your car or unbuckle your seatbelt until instructed to do so by an attendant. To drive, press the gas pedal on the right. To stop, press the brake pedal on the left. No bumping on the track at any time. And please be advised that conduct or failure to obey the rules and instructions will result in removal from the track without a refund. Drivers, remember, you are responsible for any injuries or damage to the property. And Thunder Road will not be responsible for actions of other drivers. Please be aware that this ride may have risks of potential injury and that you are participating at your own risk. No iPods, earphones, headsets, or other hearing obstructions are allowed. The use of cell phones and text messaging while on the track is prohibited. We all hope you enjoy your day here at Thunder Road.